Good morning, you guys. It is a gorgeous day today and it is Sunday. So beautiful. The sun finally came out. But today I want to show you guys how to cook a really easy Asian inspired ribs. This recipe was actually from a friend of mine and he showed me how to make it and it came out delicious. The kids love it and it's so quick and easy. I love anything that you can marinate overnight and then you pop it in the oven the day after, cook up some rice and boil some vegetables and call it dinner. But today we're eating it for lunch. So this recipe is definitely an easy recipe for busy moms just like me. You want something quick and easy and fast. So if you guys like cooking videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos you like to see in the future on my channel, and also subscribe if you're new. So without further ado, let's get cooking. So for this recipe, all you're gonna need are 3 ingredients. The first one is a Korean barbecue sauce, and then you're gonna need a barbecue dry rub and complete seasoning.
The next day.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about.
It's such a beautiful day, so we decided to go to the flea market. So we're here.
Okay, I do one bird, any cage on that table behind you for $35.
You can't beat my price.
The blue one.
Yeah,
the
my
blue
dad.
one.
That's it. They like Romanian lettuce. They like apples and oranges. And if you go to Kroger or Walmart, they have a product called Spring Mix. Yeah. Okay, you know what I'm talking about? It's got red cabbage, kale, Romanian, and maybe spinach in it.
Gravity pulling you in closer to me. I've lost you.
That's a good bird. He's got good eyes. That's a real good breeder bird. See how he's got the multi-cover? Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, so, but you've got a lot of multi-color in it.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
No, not
You got the busiest color to take care of.
I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless. Can't get enough. I've lost you. But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denying I'm changed. I'm like an outcast from pillar
Yes,
to
ma'am.
post.
Tell you what, the tray, you take the tray out and get a piece of newspaper and cut it to fit.
Okay.
Okay? If this is dirty, wash it with dishwashing liquid
Yes.
and water.
Okay.
All right.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.
hai con nó màu này đẹp quá ha.
I keep on looking for you.
If I could go back